Alright, some yachts float, others make an entrance. This one is the Elite Diamond Stellar 70, and I'm excited to show you on board. And from the first step, details speak louder than words. You and your guests, with beautiful flutes in your hands, why not? The top deck doesn't just make you relax, it makes you rise. Unbeatable views, the most incredible sunsets, and your personalized beverages. You don't just walk through the main cabin, you glide, built for absolute comfort and your escape from outdoors. Private dining is a ritual, and every course is plated with service. This isn't just luxury, this is where unforgettable memories meet the Arabian sunset. Every yacht speaks luxury, but with Elite, we deliver a legacy.